سيدركها بما فيها ويبني مجده جدلا فروح الفذ يعليها ليصبح همة تروي عن العليا مغانيها عن العليا مغانيها لينسج للعلا قصصا هنا أحلى.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all doing well inshallah. Today we will be making roadside brownies, or you can call it marshmallow brownies or brownie marshmallow s'mores. So let's begin with the ingredients. We need some chocolate, some butter, some homemade brownie mix. I will be putting all the ingredients in the description below, so do take a look at the size of the ingredients or the amount of the ingredients I will be using. First, I will put away some of the chocolate for our s'mores with the marshmallow, and then rest I'll put it in a pan. This is about this much, and we'll put some butter here as well for the brownie. So we are going to melt this on simmer, like on a very low heat, so it prevents the burning of the chocolate. So let's go there. The chocolate and butter mix is done, and as you can see, I can feel it and it's not hot because we use very low heat to melt it. My homemade brownie mix. My homemade brownie mix. Now we need to cover it up really well to keep all the steam and heat inside. Let it cook for 35 minutes or 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. So I got these halal marshmallows. These are a little bit bigger, so I'm going to cut them up for the marshmallow s'mores. Or you can buy the mini ones if you can get your hands onto it. So I'll just cut them up.
So I'm cutting those marshmallows. So yummy. I want to cut marshmallows. Okay, here. Thank you. Just let this one get cut. And I'll give you this scissors. Thank you. Here.
The brownie there. Oh, good job.
Like how I'm cutting?
That's nice.
Nice for the marshmallow.
Mm-hmm. Do you like marshmallow s'mores? Here. It's been 30 minutes, so let's see. Ooh, that looks so good. Okay, so I'll just put quickly some of the marshmallow and chocolate to make it s'mores. And we'll try to just put it in a little bit. Okay. Tied it again. Okay, back on. We'll put some of the charcoals to give a very nice roasted look and taste to the marshmallows. Should be good. Let's sit there for 10 minutes before we cut into it. Listen.
How was it, Noor, Mariam, Mustafa?
Good. Very good. Very good. More good. I got in the whole world. And go more in the whole world, even more. Rest I've never had this before. Like the rest?
How is it though?
So good. Very good.
How does it taste like?
Like chocolate milk? And it tastes like chocolate and marshmallow. Chocolate melt marshmallow. It tastes like chocolate milk in marshmallow.
What would you say it's out of 10?
Like gooey?
Give it a number out of 10.
Like slime. 10. Like
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Noor, Mariam?
A million out of 10. 100 out. A slime. This is my water.
جليل علا قصصا هنا أحلام ترويها لينسوا جليل علا قصصا هنا أحلام ترويها الأمجاد قد عظمت